Hi guys, as you can see I received this box in which came a Playpen for reviewing purposes. I'm gonna use it for my dog, okay? So let's take it out of the box and see what comes inside, okay? We're having here different parts of it. This is the door, okay? It comes with all the joints that you need to assemble it and the instruction manual, okay? I think it's a really simple assembly, so let's go ahead and start assembling it. Okay guys, as you can see it's already assembled. I'm here with him. So, well, let's just place it inside, okay? We press the button, as you can see, it seals. It has these suction cups that you can place so it doesn't move anything by just pressing like this. As you can see, it's a small place you can have an eye on your pet so it can't be messing around, which I think it's a nice thing. And to let it out, you just press this button like this and you can open, okay? Which I think it's really, really nice. And well, as you can see, it was an easy assembly, and overall I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.